160, 180.
What did I charge you? 120, right?
120.
Yeah. But the problem, you know.
And then like this morning, last night I got on Craigslist. That's where I found you, and I screenshotted like 3 different people, and then after this morning, because I started work at 5, I didn't want to start calling people at 5.
We won't pick
So,
up.
yeah. So I started calling people like, I don't know what time I called you, like 8
8 o'clock, yeah.
Like, so I started calling people there. I got I think I left you a message, huh?
Yeah.
And then after I called some other guy, and then I told you, right? You said you wanted 110.
110, yeah.
And then, but he was coming from San Bruno or somewhere out there, and then he wasn't gonna make it till like 5, 6 o'clock. And then that's when you called. And then after, I'm not lying, he said, well, text me your address to see if you're serious. And now I'm, well, I want somebody to come out here because I don't want to be, I want to stop living for somebody.
Right.
Yeah, I think I told you the same thing. And then, just when I was about to send him my address, that's when you called. And I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, and then I figured you were closer.
Yeah.
And then you'd be here at 2 o'clock, 2:30.
I was in Avon when earlier I was on Avon and Capitol.
Right.
Meeting,
So I just told the other guy. And then the third guy I called, he wanted, I don't forgot how much more. He wanted more. I called him like around the same time when I called you and the other guy. And he didn't send my call till like when I was walking out of work at 1:30.
Oh.
And then he's all, well, how much is that guy charging you? I told him, I'm like, oh no, I'm fine. I needed one earlier. I got somebody. And then he's all, well, how much is he charging me? I'm like, 120. He's all, I could do it for 90. I'm like, no. I'm like, it's fine. I wouldn't want to do that to you. I don't want to do that to that guy. You know, I already committed with him. I already sent him my address. I'm fine. You know, he's like, oh, all right. Well, if he doesn't do a good job, I'm like, oh, okay. Well, if he doesn't do a good job, I'll call you. I'll tell him. You know what I mean? But no, I'm happy with that.
You can see. See, from here it looks like a shadow, but it's not. The dark area, right there, this dark, that's grease. And the other part, on the camera it's hard to tell. But yeah, you can definitely see.
Yeah, you big time see right there.
Yeah, my phone doesn't have very good, but at least it shows some of it. Let me see.
The phone doesn't do it that much justice, huh?
No, it has to be really bad. Really. Plus, I already scrubbed it once, so. But yeah, because from right about here, you can see a big difference. But on the phone, but you can see it.
I'm happy.
Yeah, that's
seriously. I'm being dead serious with you.
Yeah.
Give me like next month, and I'll do like the rooms and then this new room. You know what I mean?
You're gonna see a difference between this and the rooms. You're gonna see a big difference. So you're gonna be like, oh yeah, I need to call this guy.